XRP and Bitcoin are on the verge of a major rally. They have broken out of a major key pattern. What is to come? What are the price targets? How long will it take to get there? We're going to jump into that. Also, I have been doing digging on new promising projects. I have found something for you guys. I have found something that is life changing. All I need you guys to do is stay to the end of this video and check it out. Now I'm going to start with XRP. I'm going to jump into this secret token that I am talking about, and then we'll look at Bitcoin. So if that's something you're interested in and you need to be, smash that like button, smash that bell notification, and let's get it. Okay, guys, welcome back to CryptoMac. Thank you all for joining me once again. Now, as you guys can see, I got XRP pulled up on the 4-hour. Now, we have been in this inverse head and shoulders. We have broken out of it. Now, we got a pump to the upside. However, we didn't get our price target we were looking for. I have it in my previous videos. You can check it out right now, right on top of the screen. But as you can see, we broke out of the neckline, which was the resistance for this pattern. Now it broke out, doing what it does. It came back down to retest this neckline, which was once pretty bad resistance, is now support. We got a strong bounce, which means confirmation right here. This is a confirmation. This is strong support, and we will be seeing our price target to the upside. Now, what is the price target on the 4-hour? Would look something like this. About $2.62, guys. You might as well say, I believe it'll probably push all the way up to this resistance, because this is all blue skies right here. Every single little bit of this is blue sky. So I don't think it'll really stop right here. I think we might stop, consolidate a little, and then get another boost up. And then we might get a small bounce off of this resistance line, because it has been strong resistance for some time. So that is pretty much what the 4-hour is doing. Now, if you guys bear with me for 1 second. Okay, now as you guys can see, this is the monthly chart, or I'm sorry, the daily chart. Now, this is the falling wedge that we've been in for some time. You can even see it on this screen as well. We broke out of it. Now we came back down to retest it and confirmed it as well. We are on the verge of a major rally right now. I can tell you right now, this one is nice. If this breaks out, guys, and it really gets a good boost, which seems like what it's doing at the making of this video, we are looking at about $5, fellas. $4.88. So that is what we are looking at in the short to medium term for XRP. Now, I would like to tell you guys about this life-changing token I come across on Twitter. So let's jump over into that real fast. And as I was scrolling through Twitter the other day, I came across this website of this company called Nomy Finance. And I'm always looking for that one token, you know, that token that it's kind of like Pepe or Dogecoin or whatever, you know, that early coin, whatever it may be, that you can get a pre-market sale because you can always get good returns off of it. Especially the companies, 9 out of 10, they're really, really solid companies. And this is just the beginning for them. So it is a life-changing opportunity. You just have to do very good and very long due diligence. Now, as you guys can see right here, it says they're a global platform for growing and managing digital wealth. Now, I have looked into them a good bit. We're going to go over a couple of key points. They are, I'm telling you right now, if you've been looking for a new project that is in the beginning that can change your life, I'm showing you one right now. I want to go ahead and get into about them. Now, as you guys can see, it says Nomy Finance. is a leading crypto investment ecosystem providing seamless access to staking. I want you guys to keep that in your head. If you don't know what staking is, you are about to learn something very, very new. Um, they provide seamless access to staking, borrowing, wealth management, and early stage investments with a strong focus on security, transparency, and high yield opportunities. If you guys don't understand what high yield is, that is interest payouts. It's kind of like a fixed deposit account. You put money in, as long as it sits there and you don't touch it, it gains interest. Um, Nomy Finance empowers both individual and institutional investors to maximize the potential of the crypto assets. So that is big. They work with you. They treat you just like if you're an institution. I really like that about the company. Now let's jump into some highlights. This is what I like. I mean, they have over 1.5 million users worldwide, so they're not brand new. I mean, they've been around the block for a little while, about 6, 7 years. Um, they have a lot of investments, guys. A lot of venture investments. Now, it says right here, Nomy Finance Venture Capital Division has played a crucial role in funding and strategically supporting high impact blockchain projects for over 5 years. So they have been in the blockchain. They have helped people. Everything has pretty much been successful. Everything I have seen so far, 100% has been successful. So, and especially this right here, through direct access to pre listing token sales and exclusive investment rounds. I'm getting chill bumps. Nomy Finance empowers both institutional and retail investors to capitalize on high growth opportunities across the digital asset landscape. That is what I have been looking for. And it was right at the top. I was like, yes. Well, what else do they have? I mean, they have crypto backed loans. Um, where actually you can use your crypto to get a loan, use your crypto as collateral. Um, I mean, that's amazing. I've never really seen anything like that. The staking and yield programs. And we're going to jump into that. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of that too. And there's going to be plenty more of all of this to go through. They just, there's so much. I can't cram it all in this video. I want to show you the team. Now, I only had enough time to do a little bit of research on the top three right here. Also, I can tell you about these guys because it's important to do research on the top board of people. It always you just it's best to know anything. You want to be an investment. That's where your money is. Then you want to know who was running things, their background. I can tell you right now, since all three of these guys have graduated grade school, they're pretty much the only thing they have done is try to transform the financial ecosystem into a more, I wouldn't say, I mean, in a quicker, but a more freedom type of institution instead of all these regulatory rules and everything else. That is why they've implemented the new digital finance system with the old financial system. So they're streaming both of them together, which I think is awesome. Because I mean, our financial system right now isn't the best. Crypto is doing the best to bring it all together, and this team is very solid. I am going to do more research on these other board members here. Like I said, I can't research the entire company in just a few days, even a week. I mean, it takes time to really, really dig and do very good due diligence. So I want to show you guys the token that they just released because they have released a lot of successful tokens for other people on their global platform. However, they are now releasing their own token called Nomy. Now, holding Nomy unlocks perks. This is what I was looking for. You get higher yields, reduce borrowing cost on your loans with Nomy instead of like XRP or something else. You get reduced borrowing costs. Also, they have the Nomy card where you can get increased cash back. They also have priority access to private investment opportunities and invite only community events. That is what you want. That is what I want. Every time I say that, I get goosebumps. So, now as you guys can see, you earn daily interest off your Nomy tokens. Okay? And that provides a stable and passive income system stream. That way you can just put it in there, just set it, and you'll just get payouts. And you get lower borrowing rates, like we just said, collateral usage. You can use it for loans. It gives you more flexibility. If you know that, the market's about to go parabolic, you know exactly where it's going because you're a good chart analyst, because you're a good trader. You can get a nice collateral or a nice collateral loan from your Nomy tokens and, go ahead and just make yourself a lot more money, pay them back a little bit of your profit, and boom, there you're done. You're a rich, rich person. Now, this here, exclusive access to token sales and private rounds. I love it. I love it because it's going on right now. I'm going to show you guys that in a second. But first, like right here, it says Nomy holders receive priority allocation in all Nomy pre-market sales, including IEOs, private rounds, and strategic investment deals, higher purchase limits and guaranteed allocations, early access to pre-market investment opportunities. That's what you want. That's what you want. Now, let's go ahead and jump over to the website. Now, this is the website. See, this is the ecosystem right here. This is all the tokens. There's 700 plus you can get. This is actually the wallet. Here is the interest account. Now, this is what I love because I'm pretty big on staking. I tried to work with Kraken. They got hit with some whatever with the SEC, so everyone pulled out. Of course, I did too. I have not staked anything in years, to be honest. I haven't found anyone. And I believe I just found a the perfect platform to stake my XRP. So, see, and as we can see right here, you can actually go and deposit your XRP. Now you see I have a little over 5,000 XRP in this account already. I've set it up. I'm very into this. Pretty much what you can do is to say if I wanted to stake it, I could just go right here. You can hit max to put them all. You can put in however much you want. You stake it, and every day, every week, I'm not sure exactly when your payouts come, but you will get rewards constantly for staking it, which helps validate a lot of stuff on the blockchain, which means you're interacting with the ecosystem as well. So they do reward you for that. This place is very promising. I mean, this is the interest account where you can just gain, up to 105 with fixed. They have fixed up here too. I mean, we're going to get into that in another video. I don't have time to put it all in all these videos. This is what I want to do, guys. I want to go ahead and jump into the pre-market that I have been talking about, okay? Now, as you guys can see right here, there's only 688 people so far, and they have raised 68 million in pre-market. Now, you guys see right here, the current price is 6 cents, okay? The listing price is 30. If I buy now, the listing date isn't too far away. I will instantly get a 400% return on the listing day. Instantly. That is how a lot of people grow good wealth, is because they know people and they do a lot of homework. They dig, they try to find, because a lot of these companies pre-market, they don't throw it out there to the world because it's not an ICO yet. So it is only pre-market. So what I am going to do, because I'm really, really into this. Like I said, I've had chill bumps making this whole video. So I've already put some of my XRP in here, and you guys know how much I love my XRP. I have not sold one token since 2020. Even whenever the SEC threw the lawsuit at XRP, I did not sell. I kept everything because I love my XRP and I know where it's going and I know everything about it, just like I feel about Nomy. So, just so that you guys understand, I am not messing around. I can go to my XRP right here, okay? Now, I put in a little bit because I didn't know what the fee was going to be. I wanted to have at least 5,000. I am going to take 5,000 of my own XRP tokens, and I'm going to purchase Nomy because I believe in it. Now, as you guys can see, I'm purchasing about $10,000 worth. After the listing, 51,000, easy money. Look at that. Easy money that's not messing around. The links of all of this, the website, the white paper, the pre-market page, all of this, the token page, all of this, all of these links are in my description. They're right on top. They're going to be pinned in the comments. They're going to be on my channel page. You cannot miss these links. I'm giving you guys a life-changing opportunity right now. I know it is, and I'm about to prove it to you because I just purchased 172,891 Nomy tokens with XRP that y'all know I love. I just sold 5,000 of my XRP. I'm kind of shaky, but I know where Nomy is going, and I want in. I am in, guys. So, if you stayed to the very end, thank you for watching all this. We're going to jump straight into Bitcoin now. Thank you guys for watching. Okay, guys, now that I got the Bitcoin chart pulled up, now take a look at this. We were in this fallen wedge. We got a bounce off of the support at 78,000. Got a nice boost up right through we smashed through 89,000. Smashed right through it. As of right now, we are actually on our moon run from our cup and handle here. Now, like I said, we only got half of our target because it came down to retest. We retested. Look at this bounce. So that is confirmation that we are about to get the price target right here for this cup and handle, which could put us somewhere about, ooh, that's pretty, about $135,000. We'll take it, right? Of course we'll take it. That's beautiful. And that is where it is headed right now. Now, as you guys can see, we had a inverse head and shoulders here. We broke through it. Boom. We actually got, let me pull it for us so you can see it better. We actually got, let me see if I can get it from here to here. Did I already do it right here? Yes, I did. And then as you guys can see from the breakout, we almost got our price target. I know what this one is. We almost got our price target right here. So odds are, it looks like it came down, did a retest. Looks like we're doing another low inverse head and shoulders to get another pump up. This is what I'd call the stairway to heaven because it just keeps pumping and pumping and looks like steps that keeps going all the way up on a bull run. Very beautiful thing. Love it. Love it so much. We are in the bull run. We are back. Crypto holders, we are back. Now, if you guys stay with me to the end, thank you very much. You can check out my latest stuff on the left. You can check out all of the Nomy links in my description. I'm telling you, you guys want in on that pre-market. It's guaranteed profits. You want in on that. So check out my latest stuff on the left. You can subscribe on the right. And until the next video, guys, take care of yourself and each other.